Hello everyone, so today I am going to demonstrate the project about the advanced cursor AI assistant from POC. So here we do have the AI powered automation platform with the features like intelligence, chatbot assistant, as well the smart cursor action prediction and automation workflow and execution, as well the screen analysis and element detection, nevertheless voice control integration. Also we have the advanced analytic and insight, security and access control, or real-time monitoring, UI element recognition, and the final custom automation scripts. So if I will click on the get root, so here we can get the features list of feature. Total we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we do have 6 feature with the AI chatbot and the prediction and the workflow, the analysis, the voice control, and the dashboard for the analytics. And we can see the status is online. Now here I have already provided the request for in the request body in JSON format. So I asked it what is Cursor AI and what can it do. So it replied that the advanced Cursor AI assistant is cutting edge technology, the AI technology, must enable intelligence automation and so on according to voice command. And here we can get the reply, so we can ask anything we want to chatbot. So here it's this one is the advanced chat. So here I asked that how can I optimize my development workflow. So context I provided, I am a Python developer working on web application, and the mode is the analytics. So it replies that as a data analytics AI, I have analyzed numerous workflow to identify the key factor affecting productivity and so on the reply for my request. So these are the response. Now as well I have provided the smart action for the post method. Here it will analyze the screen and predict the cursor action with the next action with the high accuracy. So I provide the objective like click on save button to save the current document. And when I execute it, it gave me the response like this: click XY coordinate with the button left. An explanation, the cursor to the current point and clicking on save button to execute the objective, and the confidence is 99%, and the alternative action is type with, so risk assessment is very low, model is Olama, and with the timestamp. Now to analyze the screen, I have provided the reason with the XY coordinate and the height and the width, as well the detected element true, detected UI true, and detected trace true, and it provide the response like this with timestamp and the path for the screenshot, as well the analysis mode and distract status. The status is available and the message and the text content, so it analyzes your screen. Now currently I have Infinity project over here and my Google Drive and API test summary. So like this it predict the screen and it's give the text content and so on. The response is like this. Now let's come to the workflow automation. So from here we can give the automation name, description, and the objective check emails every hour, categorized by priority, and send automated response to common inquiry. So it will be auto generated. Yeah, currently I have created architecture for the automation flow, and yeah, to be done is the part to integrate the email with the architecture of the workflow automation. And here we can get the response like this with the workflow ID and so on with the steps, and that's all. Now for the workflow ID, I have provided the workflow ID with the boolean for like false, and it gives that status is started. So automation is started and work ID is this. Now regarding the get flow list, I have this month's flow of the list, and yeah, so on. So here we have voice control command. So if I give the command to in here, I have recorded take a screenshot, and if I execute it, so it will take the screenshot and it will save in the backend folder. Yeah, here response we can get that with the timestamp the screenshot has been successfully taken. And when I go to the backend, and here we can see that the screen is this, the screenshot. Yeah, that's all. So as well we can give the command by typing or the voice command for the voice control. So this one is for the analytic dashboard, and we can see the analytic dashboard response look like this. And as well the analytic uses with the period and matrix. So I provided 24 hours with all the metrics, and it gives me the response like this with action, total action, and failed action, and so on. So workflow, chats, screen analysis. Yeah, this is how we analyze the uses or utilization of the AI solution. So this one is for the security scan. So we can execute this and it will scan the um, system. And here we get that the port is like this, and so on, IP address, PID. So it's scan all the things, all this stuff. And here risk level is medium, and here we get the recommendation as well. And security, screen security is like sensitive data detected false, there is no sensitive data, and so on. So now to monitor the system, I have executed this endpoint, and it's provide the CPU with the memory usage, total available and use, so on the active workflow, and so on. That's all. So now to take the screenshot, this origin part is optional. If I click on execute, it will take the screenshot. So here we can see that it's take the screenshot. Yeah. Now for the automation record, if I will execute this, so it will trace my mouse, it will track my mouse cursor, and it will give the response like this. If I copy paste here and do a stop and execute it, so here we can see that the auto generated from user recording. So it's record the mouse, like physical mouse, it moves step 1, step 2, step 3, so on. And maybe at the final step it's provide the click. Yeah, here the action is click and the button is left. So we click on the left button, this one, that's why it's provided. So for the execution action, if I click on here, so it will the action will be click and the button will be left, so it will stop in action and it will click the action, I guess. So no, so it goes the top above. So when I execute it, so it goes the top above there. It's the cursor don't remain on the same place, and it goes to the top, because the x is, if I provide this 100 and if I execute it, so it goes the 100 x coordinate. And yeah, to get the logs, I have 10 limited logs, and these are the logs regarding scroll and the mouse. And this one is for the chat logs. So here we can get the chat logs, but we have chat. And yeah, if I click on the log, so here we can see that we have chat these things with the AI assistant. And for the database connection, we can see the status is connected to. And as well for the status Tesseract, we get the Tesseract available through and status message with the installation help. As well for the status system, if I execute it, so it provides the status of the system. So everything working fine. And for this, to build the AI assistant, Cursor AI Advanced Assistant, I have used the Python programming language, as well the